In this video, I'll be showing you how you turn on two-step verification on your NordVPN account. It's simple and easy. So to do that, what you do is you tap on your profile button at the bottom right corner of your screen, and after that, what we do next is we tap on the manage account. You get it? So we tap on that here, and you can see multi-factor authentication. So let's open that to set a two-step verification for the account. And good, you can see the multi-factor authentication is off, so we just manage it by tapping on the manage. Good, so they are going to give us a mail for us to confirm, and then we are good to go. Good, so now we've confirmed our email we used to create our account. So now we can set up a two-step verification. So this is a security key. If you have any pass key on any device, you can use that, and also you can use an authenticator app. You have Google Authenticator, Microsoft, and the rest, a lot of them. You can download from Play Store. If you are using iOS, you can download from Apple Store and then use it. So it's very much simple. So that's it. If you are new here, you give me a like, subscribe to my channel. Peace.